Find the Thevenin equivalent circuit of the circuit shown in figure to the left of the terminals AB. Then find the current through RL is equal to 6,16 and 36 ohm. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now, to find RTH, set all the sources or turn off all the sources. So when we turn off the voltage source, this will be a short circuit, and when we turn off the current source, this will be a open circuit. All the sources. So this will be a short circuit and this will be a open circuit. And here, in place of RL, this will be RTH. So this will be 4 ohm parallel with 12 ohm. 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12. 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12. This will be 3 ohm. So this will be 3 ohm. Now this 3 ohm series with 1 ohm. So 3 ohm plus 1 ohm is equal to 4 ohm. So therefore, this total will be 4 ohm. So RTH is 4 ohm. This is RTH 4 ohm. This is terminal A, B. A and B. Next we have to find VTH. So VTH will be here, this will be VTH. This will be positive, this will be negative. So VTH will be here. This will be VTH. So to find VTH, let's say this is loop number 1 with current I1. This is loop number 2 with current I2. Or directly we will apply nodal analysis. So let's say this is node number A. Node A or node number 1. Let's assume the direction of current. Let's say this is current I1, this is current I2, and this is current. This is reference node. This is open circuited, so there will be no current through this resistance. So now apply KCL at node 1. So entering current is I1 plus 2 ampere. Summation of all the entering current is equal to leaving current. Leaving current is I2. So this will be I1 will be 32 minus VTH. 32 minus VTH by 4 ohm plus 2 is equal to I2. Now this I2 is VTH minus 0 by 12. VTH minus 0 by 12. So this will be 32 by 4 minus VTH by 4 plus 2 minus VTH by 12. is equal to 0. So this will be 32 by 4 plus 2. So this is 10 and this will be minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 then minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 12. So minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 VTH is equal to 0. So this will be 1 by 3 VTH is equal to 10. So therefore VTH is equal to 30 volt. So VTH is equal to 30 volt and RTH is equal to 4 ohm. Now we will draw Thevenin equivalent circuit. So Thevenin equivalent circuit will look like this. It will be positive, negative. This is RTH. This is VTH. VTH is equal to, or here we will write VTH is equal to 30 volt. RTH is equal to 4 ohm. And this is terminal A and terminal B. And in between terminal A and B, RL, which is variable resistor or load resistor. This is RL. Now what we have to find? We have to find the current through RL. So RL, we have to find IL. When RL is equal to 6, 16 and 36. So we have to find this IL. So IL is equal to VTH by RTH plus RL. Now when RL is equal to 6, when RL is equal to 6, then 6 ohm, then IL is equal to VTH, which is 30 by RTH, which is 4. 4 plus RL is 6. So this will be 10. So this will be 3 ampere. Now when RL is equal to 16, then IL is equal to 30 by 4 plus 16. So this will be 30 by 20. 30 by 20, which is 1.5 ampere. Then when RL is equal to 36 ohm, 16 ohm, 36 ohm, then IL is equal to 30 by 4 plus 36. So this will be 30 by 40. 30 by 40, 0.75 ampere. You have to find current IL using Thevenin's theorem or Thevenin equivalent circuit. So this is current IL 3 ampere, 1.5 ampere and 0.75 ampere. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.